Let me walk you through how to extract government and public records data from legislation.gov.au using Minexa.ai, whether you are a developer or not. Start on a page where the list of results is already there on screen. Now hit the extension icon at the top right of the browser. Once the panel opens, hit I'm on the right page, and Minexa.ai starts analyzing the page to detect the public records listings. That quickly, Minexa.ai figured out the full structure of this page. At this point, choose List Mode or go deeper by scraping the detail page of each result. Continue is the default, advanced if a drop-down or button needs clicking before the list becomes visible. See the highlighted section? Hit Create Scraper, and Minexa.ai figures out every data field, so you never have to set it up again. All fields are listed. Just select the ones that matter to you for scraping public records listings, like titles, dates, and links. For the technical side, click API Request. The trained scraper targets exact elements, so no full HTML parsing is needed. Finalize everything by hitting Complete Configuration. The navigation button is highlighted. Minexa.ai found it on its own. Change it if you need to. One last screen, optionally connect Google Sheets or set a frequency, then hit Complete Setup and the job is live. Hit Run and the extraction is underway. Same page, same result, every single time, making this reliable enough to use inside any automated pipeline or scheduled job that depends on consistent, predictable structured output. You get details like document titles, dates, and links, all neatly organized in rows and columns. Download the dataset. Every result is in its own row with all fields in separate columns. That is Minexa.ai. Any website, any data, anyone. Try it at Minexa.ai. And if you are a developer, check the API docs to see how far it scales.